How to fix TikTok videos not posting or getting stuck at 0%. First thing you will need to do is check your network connection. Make sure that you have a strong network connection. If your current Wi-Fi is lagging, then switch to a different network or refresh your own network. Open App Store or Play Store on your device. Go to the search bar on the top and search for the TikTok app. Now look for any updates that may be available for the app. If there are updates available, then update your app. If not, go back to your home page. From your home page, tap and hold on the TikTok app. Click on the eye icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and click on Storage. Tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right corner. This will clear your cache for the YouTube app. If you have multiple apps running in the background, then clear those. After following these steps, give your device a quick restart. Sometimes a quick restart can fix these issues. Another thing that you need to check is the video format and length. Make sure the video meets TikTok's requirement, that is MP4 format and maximum of 10 minutes. If the video is still not uploading, then try to re-upload. Delete the stuck video and try uploading again. If you can, then log out and log back in. This won't delete your draft. If none of these options are working, then try to uninstall the TikTok app and reinstall it to your device. But remember, doing this will clear all your drafts. That's all for today. Thank you.